My name is Gregg. I'm a 55-year-old prop master that owns one of the largest prop houses that exists in the world. We own independent studio services. When we're busy like we are now, we're probably involved in 60 to 70% of all the films that take place really in the world. I'm the CEO and president, the guy that signs the checks, I guess. I do a lot of things, a lot of physical activities, and a lot of those physical activities had accidents involved because clearly I'm not very good at them. So at 55, I started having cumulative effects of a lot of these injuries. The nerve pain was unlike anything I had experienced before. There was not a position I could get in that was not uncomfortable. There was virtually nothing that made the pain go away. It was almost a joke at work. There was a couch I could sit on and I would get my arm up in a certain position and I would sit there. That was about the only thing I could do. So as far as work goes, I was completely useless. I had no life. My road to disc was my road to all significant medical issues. I have an old friend that is in the film business who's a tech advisor for Grey's Anatomy, and she's kind of connected to all the best of the best. I met Dr. Grant Shiflett. There was no stupid question asked. He answered all of them patiently, made me feel very comfortable in what I knew was going to be a complex procedure. And when I flat out asked, can you fix this? His answer was a pretty emphatic yes. I ended up deciding on the discectomy. It is the complete replacement and removal of the discs that are impacted and affected, and they then insert new disc after cleaning up the area, the spinal cord, all of the issues affected. Yeah, I was nervous. When anybody tells you that you're going to go through the front of your neck, push everything aside, pull parts out of your neck, clean everything up and put it back in, if you're not nervous, you're insane. But I felt as though I had a very good team there. I've stayed at some amazing facilities. I've traveled well in my life. This facility was unlike anything I've ever experienced. And not just the fact that the facility was sophisticated, high-tech, the human element, the component. You would sit there and talk to the people for 20, 30 minutes. Nobody ever seemed like they were in a hurry. They did much to alleviate any concerns or fears. I woke up from the surgery and the one thing that was missing immediately was pain. I woke up pain-free. Granted, I just had a fairly significant surgery. There's trauma associated with that surgery, but there was no pain. The pain that I had been existing in for the 6 months prior was simply gone. I healed up rather quickly. The surgery was on a Wednesday morning. We drove home Thursday morning. I was off all pain meds almost immediately. I took an Advil or Tylenol and it was fine. So to be pain-free almost immediately after a very significant surgery was shocking, to say the least. It's amazing when you're not experiencing pain, just the simple things, turning, moving, sitting down, laying down, just pain-free. My ability to work now has been greatly improved. I'm able to focus. I'm not on any type of pain medication. I can actually hear and listen to what people are saying without thinking of 12 other things as to why I'm in so much pain. My golf game has probably never been better. Before I had my surgery, people saw how much pain I was in. After the surgery, they saw the results.